Your car's climate control system has started acting up and you're dreading an expensive repair bill at the dealership. However, in most cases, the culprit is simply a misaligned blend door actuator that can be fixed right in your own driveway. Today, I'll walk you through 6 proven techniques to restore this critical component of your HVAC system, with each method specifically designed for different vehicle configurations and problem scenarios. Stay tuned, because the final technique I'll reveal often becomes the ultimate solution when standard approaches fail to deliver results. Let's begin with the manual recalibration method, using your vehicle's built-in diagnostic capabilities. This approach works exceptionally well on newer Ford and Chevrolet models equipped with advanced climate control systems. Start by ensuring your vehicle is completely shut down with the ignition turned off and all climate controls set to their off positions. Turn the ignition key to the accessory position without starting the engine. This powers up the electronic systems needed for diagnostic mode. The next sequence varies depending on your vehicle manufacturer, but follows a similar pattern across most brands. For Ford vehicles, simultaneously press and hold the defrost and maximum air conditioning buttons for approximately 8 seconds. On Chevrolet models, the combination typically involves the auto and recirculation buttons held for the same duration. You'll hear a distinctive clicking sound or observe indicator lights flashing on your climate control panel. The system now enters diagnostic mode and begins automatically recalibrating the problematic actuator mechanism. This process usually takes between 90 seconds to 2 minutes, while the actuator moves through its complete range of motion. Once completed, turn off the ignition, wait several seconds, then restart your vehicle normally. Test all climate functions immediately by cycling through hot and cold settings to verify proper actuator response. Test all climate functions immediately by cycling through hot and cold settings to verify proper actuator response. The second technique involves strategic fuse manipulation to trigger a targeted system reset. This method offers precision by affecting only the climate control circuit without disrupting other vehicle electronics. Locate your vehicle's main fuse panel, typically found under the hood near the battery or inside the cabin beside the driver's left knee. Some newer models position this panel beneath the glove compartment or behind a removable dashboard cover. Identify the specific fuse controlling your HVAC system by consulting the diagram printed on the fuse box cover. Look for labels such as climate control, air conditioning, or HVAC on this technical schematic. Carefully extract this fuse using needle nose pliers or the specialized removal tool often stored within the fuse box. Allow exactly 3 to 4 minutes before reinstalling the fuse. This interval ensures complete system memory clearance. Firmly reinsert the fuse, ensuring it seats properly in its designated socket. Start your vehicle and immediately verify that the actuator responds correctly to temperature and airflow distribution commands. If you're finding this technical content valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to catch all our professional automotive tips that could save you thousands in unnecessary repair costs. Our third approach utilizes complete electrical system isolation through battery disconnection. This comprehensive reset method proves particularly effective on vehicles experiencing persistent electronic glitches or memory corruption issues. First, ensure all electrical accessories including headlights, radio, and navigation systems are completely turned off. Pop the hood and locate your battery terminals. You'll need a wrench to loosen the connection bolts. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal to prevent dangerous electrical arcing. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal to prevent dangerous electrical arcing. Now wait a full 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all vehicle capacitors to discharge their stored electrical energy completely. This extended waiting period is essential for clearing volatile memory from all electronic control modules throughout your vehicle. Reconnect the terminals in reverse order, positive first then negative, ensuring tight, secure connections. Start the engine immediately and test your climate system by switching between extreme temperature settings. This verification process confirms whether your actuator has regained its full operational range and responsiveness. The fourth method focuses on ignition cycling sequences specifically designed for recently installed actuators. This calibration procedure teaches new actuators their mechanical limits within your specific vehicle's HVAC system configuration. Verify that your actuator installation is completely secure with all electrical connectors properly seated and locked. Loose or corroded connections can cause calibration errors or erratic performance that mimics actuator failure. Perform exactly 5 ignition cycles by turning your key to the run position for 12 seconds, then turning completely off. This precise sequence prepares your vehicle's electronic systems to accept new actuator parameters and operational boundaries. Start your engine and immediately set your climate controls to a neutral position for baseline calibration. On most American vehicles, this means setting temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit or selecting automatic mode. This neutral reference point allows your actuator to establish its starting position for the learning process. Let your engine idle for 2 to 3 minutes without adjusting any climate settings during this critical period. The actuator automatically performs its range-finding movements to determine its mechanical stops and operational limits. Test gradually through all positions from maximum heat to maximum cooling while monitoring movement smoothness and accuracy. The fifth technique addresses wiring harness issues that often masquerade as actuator failures. Many apparent actuator problems actually stem from damaged connections or corroded terminals rather than mechanical component failure. Carefully inspect the wiring harness connected to your actuator, looking for frayed wires, green corrosion, or loose connectors. Pay special attention to connection points where vibration and temperature cycling can cause premature wear and failure. Check the main HVAC relay located in your engine compartment fuse box, as a faulty relay prevents proper actuator operation. Swap this relay with an identical one from another system to quickly determine if the relay is causing your problem. Examine the actuator's ground connection, which often corrodes due to moisture infiltration in the HVAC housing area. A poor ground connection creates intermittent operation that can be mistaken for internal actuator mechanical problems. Clean all connections with electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion issues. Our final strategy combines advanced diagnostic procedures with component replacement when necessary. When all previous methods fail, the actuator itself may have suffered internal gear damage or motor failure. Professional-grade scan tools can access specific HVAC diagnostic trouble codes that pinpoint exact failure modes and components. These codes provide valuable information about whether the problem lies within the actuator motor, position feedback sensor, or mechanical gearing. Quality replacement actuators from manufacturers like Dorman or Acdelco offer reliable performance and straightforward installation procedures. Always verify part numbers match your vehicle's specific year, make, model, and climate control system configuration before purchasing. After installing any new actuator, always perform the ignition cycling calibration procedure described in our fourth method. Some vehicles may require additional programming using manufacturer-specific diagnostic equipment to complete the installation process. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you won't miss our upcoming technical videos that will teach you to diagnose and repair numerous automotive issues yourself, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in professional service costs.